Hello, I'm Michaela, and in today's video, I will explain how to create a household in the Nonprofit Cloud. Unlike in the Nonprofit Success Pack, the Nonprofit Cloud doesn't create the households automatically, so we need to do it manually in the party relationship groups. The household in NPC is then an organization account that is related to the household members that are the person accounts. In this org, I have already created 2 person accounts, John Doe and Jane Doe, and now I will relate them in the Doe household. So first, I will navigate to the party relationship groups, and I will click New Group. This opens this window. You can see that the type is automatically set to household. You can also create a group here, and I will call the household the Doe household. You can add addresses here if necessary. You can specify all the details that will serve you. And when you scroll down, there is the members section, and that's a lookup to contacts. So I will just start typing John Doe, and I will select him, and the same for Jane Doe. So now I have 2 members that are related to the Doe household. Then I will click next, and on the page that follows, I need to specify the roles of the contacts within the new account. So I will select that John is a household member, and his relationship to Jane is spouse, and it's an active relationship. You can also set the start date of the relationship if you know more details about it. Then we need to do the same for Jane. On the left, under members, select Jane, and her role within the new account is the same. It's household member, and the relationship to John is also spouse. And then just confirm by clicking save. And this created a new party relationship group, the Doe household, and also a new account which has the same name. So we can open it, and under relationships, we can see that it has the household detail record that we saw just seconds ago, and then the 2 members, Jane Doe and John Doe. Let's see how does this look on the members page. So under relationships, you can see that the Jane belongs to the Doe household, and it has the contact relationship with John as spouse. So that's everything I wanted to share today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.